Hi preparatory stage. I'm Miss Iman Syed from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. This video is for conversation and know how to make a dialogue between two persons. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Here we have a dialogue between two persons, which Nihal and Randa. We're talking about, but to ask about local people to take you to Wadi El Hawashi on a day trip. Let's know what's the dialogue is about. Randa asks Nihal a question. Which place do you think should be on the list of Egypt natural wonders? Nihal. So here, Randa asks Nihal about the wonders, the natural wonder places that would to visit. Nihal, I would choose Wadi El Hawashi. Randa, Wadi El Hawashi, where is that? It's on the way to South Sinai, just 13 kilometers away from Nuweiba. From Nuweiba. From Nuweiba, it's from Nuweiba. From Nuweiba, it's in the mountain of South Sinai. I see that's long way away. What kind of place is it? Nihal, there are areas of water called springs. There, they make small lakes high in the mountains. So here he tell you about the springs. They make small lakes high in the mountains, and they are known as the Green Springs. Randa, I have never heard of this amazing place. Can you swim here? Can you swim there? Nihal, oh yes, Randa, it's a wonderful place for swimming, mostly visited by the local Bedouin people who live near there. In fact, Wadi El Hawashi is looked after by them. You can ask local tour guides to take you there on a day trip. Otherwise, it's really difficult to get to, but I think that is why it's such a special place. Okay, there is a question I would like to answer it by understanding this dialogue. Do you think Randa would like to visit Wadi El Hawashi? I would like to answer this question by yourself. Okay, think and answer by yourself. Let's go to another conversation. This is a conversation between Samir and Taha discussing the story of Black Beauty. Let's know more about this topic. Taha, I like the way the writer uses personification to describe the horses. Means to trade with something or the horse, to trade with the horse is a person. Okay, this is the meaning of personification. To imagine, think that is a person. Okay, we can imagine the dog as a person, we can imagine the cat as a person, we can imagine the star as something make as a person, or we can see someone like a star. Okay, this is a personification. Okay, so here is we use the personification to describe someone. So something by someone by a person. Okay, like this one, personification to describe what? Describe horses. Samir, personification. I'm sorry, but I don't sure I understand what you mean by that. Taha, I mean that she makes the horses sound like people. Samir, could you give me an example? Taha. Yes, for example, the writer calls the horses I or she or not it. Not it. Okay. So the writer personifies the horses as a person by referring to the horses by I or she, not by it. And she talks about the horses' feelings and talks about horses' feelings. I think the writer is trying to make you feel that you and the horses are not very different species. Samir, when you are not very different species, do you mean the writer thinks that people and horses are the same? Taha, yes, humans and horses are on the same level. Do you see what I mean? No, I'm still confused. Could you say that another way? Taha, okay, I feel that personification makes us understand the horses better. We can all feel happy or sad. Samir, oh, I see, I understand that now. Here is the story I would like to answer here in this question by thinking from this conversation to answer it. What is the story about? I think now no story about what. Okay, you can answer by yourself. Do you agree with Taha and that horses have feelings like humans and what? Okay, you can write your opinion here. Okay. Another, the last one, I would like to this is the last conversation, and I will end the video today. Here is also a conversation between narrator. Here is the narrator conversation. Main one and main two. Conversation between main one and main two. Main one. So cross the road at the traffic light, and then just before the bridge, you will get a roundabout. Man two, I'm sorry, but I'm not sure what you mean by the roundabout. So here the next man don't know roundabout. Man one, oh no, it's a circle in the road like this. This is the roundabout. This is one. It's a circle in the road where there are 4 roads meet. Take the second road. In other words, go straight ahead. Man two, sorry, I'm still confused. Could you say that is another way? Do I take the second road or go straight ahead? Main one, sorry, what I mean is don't take the first turning, take the second one, which is also the road straight ahead of you. Narrator conversation 2 between Rhonda and Nihal. This is an amazing application. The app here is abbreviation of application. It can name any plant you want to find out. You just need to take photo of it. Nihal, I'm sorry, I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Could you say it another way? Rhonda, okay, let's say you see a plant that you want to know the name of. You just take a photo of it on your phone and then choose find, and the application will tell you the name of the plant. Conversation 3 between narrator, boy 1 and boy 2. The problem isn't just that that animals' habitats are disappearing. The problem is they are disappearing. They are disappearing because of our bad habits. Boy 2, when you say our bad habits, do you mean what we are doing? Boy 1, yes, I mean that is because we want certain products so badly. We are prepared to destroy our environment to get them. Boy 2, can you give me an example? Boy 1, we are destroying forests to build more roads, for example. Okay, give other examples of how to destroy our environment. There are many ways to destroy our environment by smoking from factories, by smoking from cars. We have many ways of examples of destroying environment. You can write any information or any idea you know here in this part. I will leave this for you to make your mind and answer this question. By this conversation, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.